Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this delicious watermelon feta salad. You guys, this one's so good. I'm so excited for watermelon to finally be in season. It's my favorite fruit and I'll be eating it all summer long. Let's get started with this recipe. Okay, so for this easy salad dressing recipe, we are just gonna add in some olive oil, some honey, honey's always so hard to work with. I like to try and get all of it in there because it's so good, nice and sweet. We're also gonna juice half of a lime, and we've got some salt and pepper. We're gonna give this a whisk. Make sure you get all that honey blended in. And we're gonna set this aside and get our salad ready. Whenever we're preparing our watermelon, we need 3 cups of it. So I like to just dice it up in about this size. And when I'm cutting it, I'm putting it in my strainer so it gets some of that extra moisture out, because I don't want to just throw it into the salad so it's like a big wet mess. Okay, so for our salad, we're gonna add in 2 handfuls of arugula for our base. Then we're gonna add in our watermelon. A little bit of red onion, and I've got these sliced really thin. It just makes it a really nice little tangy flavor in this. We're also gonna add in some chopped cucumber. And we're gonna toss this up. Just get this all mixed in. And next we're gonna pour over this magical salad dressing. It's not a lot of it, but it's just the perfect amount. And give that a nice little toss. Okay, and finally, my favorite part, we are gonna add in that feta cheese. It is so good. Salty, yummy. This is the best salty and sweet combo. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Perfect for summer. If you make it for Memorial Day, let me know how much you guys like it. And just one quick note about this salad, you do want to make it like right before you serve it. If you let the watermelon sit in there for too long, it's just gonna get soggy. So you want to make this like right before you serve it. Yum. That's it, you guys. We are all done with this easy watermelon feta salad recipe. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make it. I hope you do, because it's so good. I know you're gonna love this one. Make sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together, and let me know, is there anything I can help you with? Is there any recipes that you guys really need help with? I'd love to test them and get it on YouTube. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time.